Hi, today we're going to review this Tilswall cross-line laser. Came from Amazon. I needed to lay some tiles on the wall, so got this one on sale. Let's open it up and show you what's there. The box is a little tight, so nice pouch. Take the pouch out. Warranty card. Not sure how useful that's going to be. User manual. Let's see if we can figure it out without it. The laser it comes with the battery, and it comes with a magnetic stand so that you could set it somewhere, kind of like that, and it will sit on whichever surface you lay it to be. So let's get the battery in it and turn it on. Alright, so to put the battery in, there's a little door on the back. You simply open it, and the directions are nicely labeled. You have a positive, negative. You put your battery in the right direction, snap it shut, nice and strong, won't come loose. On this side of the laser there is a lock and an unlock. So what that basically does is when it's locked, the laser inside is self-balances. So it's in locked position, and the laser is locked, it's not going to move, it's not going to balance. When it's in unlocked position, that's where you want to be when you're using it, where the laser will balance and you could see the level line correctly. The front is where the laser comes out. Don't look at it with your eyes. Nothing on this side. Power button on top. So I got this box here so that you guys can see what the laser is doing. So when this tab is in locked position, if I were to turn it on, you see the laser line, it comes out, and you can switch mode. Becomes one line, cross line, horizontal, vertical, cross line. So that's what it does when it's in locked position. And if you were to move it, you see the line does not level, right? So it moves with the body. So as soon as I move it to unlocked position, which I'm going to do right now by doing this tab, so now you see the laser bouncing around. It's going to try to find the level. When it's solid, that means it's level. If you were to tilt it, it's blinking to tell you that it's not level. And you could again do the same thing with the button to choose your laser line. And you see it's trying to level, but it can't. You can only go off so much before it cannot level. So you have to be on somewhat level ground for it to work. So one thing to note is when your laser is not locked, you can't turn it off. So you will hold it down, try to turn it off. It will not let you turn off the laser, which is a good feature. You want to always have it locked so it stays calibrated when you want to use it. So to turn it off, you want to move it to lock position and then hold on to the button for a few seconds and let go. And that's it. Nice little unit. If you want to lay some tiles or do some drywall, it's incredible. Or if you just want to run some curtain rods, it's up to you.